Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss jelly. First, you'll need to prepare your raw sea moss. Begin by rinsing it thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any sand or ocean debris. After cleaning, place the sea moss in a large bowl and cover it completely with filtered water. Let it soak for at least 4 hours or up to 12 hours until it significantly expands and softens. This rehydration is key for a smooth jelly. Once your sea moss is fully rehydrated, drain off the soaking water. Transfer the softened sea moss to a high-speed blender. Add fresh filtered water. A good starting ratio is about 1 cup of water for every 1 cup of soaked sea moss. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no visible chunks. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect jelly texture. Now, pour your smooth sea moss mixture into a clean saucepan. Place it on your stovetop over low to medium heat. Stir continuously to prevent sticking and ensure even heating. You'll want to gently simmer the mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, it will begin to thicken slightly, indicating that the natural gelling agents are activating. Do not let it boil vigorously. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the sea moss jelly to cool completely to room temperature. As it cools, it will continue to thicken. Once cool, transfer the jelly into clean, airtight glass jars. Store these jars in the refrigerator. The jelly will firm up further as it chills and can be safely stored for approximately 2 to 3 weeks, ready for your daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.